Feeling overwhelmed by AI? You're not alone. Many designers worry about losing their edge in this fast-changing creative world. What's your biggest fear about AI? Comment below. Let's talk about it. That worry is real and valid. Fear of change can freeze your progress more than AI itself. Maybe you felt stuck, not knowing where to start, or just overwhelmed by too many new tools. This channel is here to help you break those barriers. It's not just about showing tools. It's about building your confidence and turning AI into your superpower. Here's how we do it. Playlist 1. Overcoming creative blocks and industry fears. We share mindset shifts and real solutions for designers. Playlist 2. AI tools for designers. Practical guides to tools like Midjourney, Runway, CapCut, with quick tips for your projects and saving time. Expect crisp, bite-sized videos. Real advice, real demos. No fluff, just practical stuff you can use today. You don't have to be afraid anymore. We'll turn anxiety into creative power together. Subscribe now and join the AI Bakery. Let's stay ahead as a team. Next video. What is banner blindness? Discover 3 tools you can start using today to break through it and truly capture your audience's attention.